Hi there. Let me ask you a question. Would you and your heirs be okay with letting the world know who you left your assets to and how much each of your heirs received after you passed on? Are you okay with paying more taxes and leaving your heirs to deal with the major headaches, ridiculous timelines, and additional expenses of the probate process? By the way, probate is a court-supervised process for distributing assets to a decedent. Now, do you really want the government to be in charge of distributing your hard-earned assets when you're gone? Did you know that James Gandolfini, who played Tony Soprano from the show The Sopranos, did not have the best estate planning and therefore was subject not only to millions of dollars in estate taxes, but a very public and a very ugly battle between his heirs? Why is this important to you? Because there's a 100% chance you're going to die. And the steps you take now, today, to choose and create the best possible estate planning solution for you and your family will decide what happens to you and your assets when you pass, how much taxes are paid, how much of your assets are actually received by your heirs, who knows about it, or how public is your estate settlement, how long will it take your heirs to deal with the process of handling your estate, the experience your heirs will have with the entire process, how and when any heirs receive their inheritance, who will oversee or be responsible for any minor heirs, pets, or dependents, and many other issues that you will have to deal with once you've passed on. If you have a house, or a spouse, or dependents, or an estate valued at more than $75,000, wouldn't you want them to be protected and have the best possible estate planning solution for you and your family? My name is Bob Hockensmith. I'm a CPA and an enrolled agent, and for over 30 years I've been providing a full line of professional business services, including tax preparation, tax planning, tax relief, tax resolution, and financial advisory services. But most importantly, I've been helping my clients pass as much of their wealth as possible to their heirs. I have a master's degree in economics. I teach at universities. I've written 2 best-selling books. I've even written a book that attorneys and accountants use to learn tax law. I've helped people with probates, trusts, done hundreds of thousands of tax returns over the years. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I can tell you there's a huge difference between someone who has the proper estate planning strategy and someone who does not. So if you want to learn all about how to determine the best possible estate planning strategy for you and your family and avoid paying more taxes than you should, and want to give your heirs the best possible experience with dealing with your estate after you're gone, then this masterclass is for you. In this masterclass about wills and trusts and estate planning, you'll learn what are wills and trusts, what is the difference between a will and a trust, what are the pros and cons of wills and trusts, why is a trust better, the process of creating, funding, administering, and closing a trust, what type of assets can be included, who should pay the trust taxes, the estate or the beneficiaries, and what are the legal strategies and why and how to use them, and much, much more. So act today. Buy this course now. Take action to learn the best strategies to protect your family and pass as much of your wealth to your heirs once you're gone. Get the course today. I look forward to seeing you inside. And finally, don't forget that life insurance is also an asset that gets added into your estate. Thank you.